Welcome back to the Personal Kicks YouTube channel, and today we are going to be unboxing a pair of Vans. A really nice pair. I like the materials, and let's just get into it. But before we do that, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like and you comment under this video what you think about these and how you're going to style them. These are really nice, and I think it will go well with a lot of a lot of fits, a lot of styles that you want to pull it out, that you want to dress it up with, whatever. So yeah, let's just get into it. So first of all, let's take a look at the box. A regular pair of Vans. A regular Vans box. See the label on the side with the shoes on it. Really nice. This is available in size 42, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description that takes you to our Instagram page, so you can see what else we have on the page as well. So I don't know if you've noticed, but all Vans come in unlaced, and what I like to do is to lace them myself so I can see the actual beauty of the shoes and also take pictures of them. So I laced the right leg so I can take pictures of it and post on our Instagram page. And I decided to leave this out because if I was to lace this, then the rubber bag here would be empty and it wouldn't have any shoes inside. That's why I decided to leave this, so that the rubber will be useful. So as you can see, it has the leopard print all over it in suede. Okay, the whole upper is covered in suede. Really nice quality material, very tough, very stiff material, but it breaks in when you wear it a couple of times. My favorite thing about this pair is it's actually two things. Is the suede. Okay, this is like a very high quality suede, and also the padding around the ankle. As you can see, the color, yeah, it's very padded, soft. You can see that it looks really nice. So yeah, the whole upper is covered in suede. The eyelets, the lace, this is what they call the lace, whatever. It's in metallic silver. Really nice kind of touch. The inside is gray, as you can see, and it also has leather on the color of the inside. Yeah, the lining of the inside is leather. Now let's go over to the outsole. Your regular Vans outsole. Really nice and grippy. Now to the back, we have the off-the-wall tag here. As you can see, it looks really nice. So let's take a quick look of the two of them in hand. Yeah. So once again, be sure to subscribe to our channel, especially if you are in Ghana and you're looking for authentic shoes to buy, because we sell only originals. So yeah, check us out on Instagram. It's Personal Kicks. On Twitter is the same name. And make sure you like and comment what you think about these, and also how you're gonna style them, if you were to grab them. So just let me know, and then yeah, nice having you, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.